What's up, everybody? We're here with another project, wood grain again. You guys see my first video, our first video. It teaches you how to do it. Over here in South Florida, it's very popular. We're representing Bright Star Finishes. We're going to teach you how to renovate, actually how to fix one of these. As you see, there's a lot of cracks, a lot of dirt and stuff grind on it. And we have my man Brian over here, my business partner, IT guy, cameraman, and a lot of other things that I will, kind of describe later. You see, you kind of want to scrape those things off. We're going to use paint thinner, so wipe it down, clean it up. We're not going to waste a lot of time actually doing what we did on the last video, step by step, because this is kind of an easy, painless process. Clean your surface. You see how that looks a lot better already? Look at that. Looks a lot better already. Grab your gel stain. We already figured out the color. Provincial gel stain. I like these Corona brushes. Trying to force it in your cracks. See that? Come right back to life, and then we'll show you the sealers and how to seal it later. All right, you can just use a roller or spray or whatever you like, and there you have it. Good. All right, everybody, now all you have to do is seal your doors. It looks a lot better already, and you're good to go. You have you can choose to roll it or spray it. We chose to roll it just because wind's kind of nasty today. So after this, you're all set, and we'll show you the final product.